Hello everyone! Today, we're going to make a simple ice cream recipe using just 3 ingredients. I've chosen strawberries from my own garden, which I'll crush, but you can use any method or tool you prefer. Leave 4 or 5 strawberries whole. We'll chop them up later to mix into the base. Once they're mashed into a paste, set them aside and whip the cream. It's best if the cream has been refrigerated for at least 8 hours before whipping. Once the cream is whipped, fold in the condensed milk. I used organic coconut condensed milk because that's what I had on hand, but regular condensed milk provides a richer creaminess and should be as fatty as possible. After mixing those, add in the strawberry paste, and this time use a spatula instead of a blender. Try to use all the ingredients straight from the fridge so they're cold. Once they're well combined, dice the whole strawberries and fold them into the mix. Optionally, you can add a tablespoon of vanilla extract to enhance the strawberry flavor. Freeze for at least 6 hours and your creamy, delicious strawberry ice cream is ready to serve. Enjoy!